Hi friends, what we have today is the grey Thar. The customer has come from Bangalore. He has purchased this car and he has directly taken us to upgrade the Thar itself. The Thar was pre-owned by another customer, so he has already done certain modifications. But what we have recommended is going to make his Thar something very muscular. So from the front side, what we have done is the most elegant bumper of the Proman, which is the Mark II bumper from Proman. What we have also given is the shackles in the red, if you can see in the front side, to match up the lettering of the Proman. We have also changed the grille in the front side with our lighting inside it to give the elegance when the Thar is going to ride on the road in the evening. What we have also given inside is the grab handle from Proman as well as the UFO lights to give a very good elegancy during night. In the sides, what we have added is the side inches, that is the Type 2 from Proman as well. The top is going to be the complete muscular look. We have given the front carrier, the extendable backside carrier as well as the ladder to give a wholesome effect of the Thar. So what we have done in the inside, the customer wanted a very good music system. So what we have given to him is basically a bigger screen which comes from Moco, which is a 4 GB variant as well. So I'll be showing you the visuals of all the work which we are doing in this. The other most important thing what we have done is the auxiliary light, where we have used yellow on one side and the Ozum W5 on the other side. The brightness of that going to be awesome. All the wirings have been done and properly placed, and it is going to become one of the best cars which the customer is going to experience. To give an elegant look on the inside as well as the outside, what we have done is the AC vents as well as the door pads with the lighting from Cardi, one of the best brand in the world right now, and we are doing it for last 3 years and there is no problem at all. From the outside, what we have also changed is the mirror cap from Thar, so it looks elegant during the night. When you are going to even on your indicators, it is going to flash and it is going to give a complete experience. Overall in this Thar, what we have done is all of a great quality and a great fitment as well. So if you are having a Thar or a Thar Rocks or an Ilex, you can visit RS Car Modifiers. We will be able to get the job done with all the accessories required at one place, one time. We at RS Car Modifiers are famous for the quality of the work we do. So if you want to get this done, you can visit us opposite to the Gopalan Mall, BTM Layout, and get your Thar or the Thar Rocks modified. Cheers guys.